Hey everybody, Terrence from RollRock here. Some might be wondering what's going on. We're going to do our best to supply some more information to you, our customers, and actually to the public in video form. The vlog that we're establishing is going to be very informal. There's not going to be any scripts. It's going to not be professionally done. We're not going to spend a boatload of money to have it look beautiful. What we're after is some brief content that is going to be informative to you, our customers, and to the public, and try to do our best to encourage you to not only understand natural stone better, but to understand the process better and to become more familiar with us as a company and maybe even with our people. You know, some are shy to be on a camera. Some of us really would rather never be seen. The reality of today is that this is a really good way for us to be able to communicate. And in some cases, you might actually be able to see colors more accurately in a video sense than with still pictures. So let's spend some time together getting to know one another. And we encourage you to visit in, spend some time as you're able. And we realize that we're boring, so we understand that you're not going to spend too much time. That's okay too. But that's why we're here. That's what our effort's going to be as our customers, as our friends, and as our associates in the business. We appreciate you. So take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and we look forward to seeing you here